So guys, welcome to my channel. So first click on www.gigabyte.com and you can see in the right side click to search button and type your motherboard model number B650IAX, then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click to here title. There are two type of motherboard, version 1.1. All same, just click select anyone. Then click to support. Now guys, you select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. If you are using Windows 10, so you can install this, follow this video. Okay, chipset driver, AMD chipset driver, and click to download. So it is done. Then double open chipset driver, just double click to exe. Then click to yes. Then okay, and then close it.